and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly E. Very happy day out there to everybody watching. Today I want to sit down and I want to talk about my Ulta haul. 21 Days of Beauty is over for me, so let's get into this box. I actually wasn't planning on filming this for quite a while because there was the last, 2-3 days? There were things that I wanted and I either was farting around too long and didn't get them, or, I was farting around. I didn't get up and like make my order, so I have everything that I did order, which, anyways, I was gonna stock up on mascara and I didn't do very well. But anyways, if you are new here, I hope you do decide to stick around, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell because that really does help me out. Anyways, I'm a super chatty gal. My hair is really cute, so I thought I would just go ahead and film this. I actually was going to film this tomorrow. Well, I was going to film it a couple weeks ago, or a couple weeks from now, but here we are. Anyways, I have no idea what order these all came in, so let's just get into it. Okay, first thing that's right up top here is the Beauty Bakery blending eggs. I'm in need of some new makeup sponges anyways, and I don't know, they were on sale, and I like, this is so cute. This is so cute. It looks like an egg carton, you guys. I'm so excited to get into this. But anyways, super excited to try these. There is 6 of them in there. I don't remember what I paid either. I'm not going to go through that. I'm just going to go through what I bought. Kind of sit down, have a makeup chat, right? Makeup therapy, makeup chat. Oh, I should have started with this one. I did get another Duke Cannon big brick of soap. It smells like productivity. My husband asked for another bar of soap. This is minty. Like, it smells like mint, like manly mint. Anyway, I really like these bars of soap. I'm not sensitive to these, and so he gets these big bricks of soap, but it's a manly mint. But anyways, we thought this giant box of soap, because it is this big of soap. Like, my hands, I mean, not that I have really big hands, but this is a really big bar of soap. I thought that it was going to last longer, but it's not. My bar of soap is about half gone, or even less than half, and I have like normal person size bar of soap, and his is starting to squish and everything. But I got him the tactical pouch by Duke Cannon too, so we think because it literally sits in something wet, that it's disintegrating faster, because we both shower once a day anyways. It's cold in Michigan and we're not sweating, so so we think that it would last longer without the pouch, but he likes the pouch. But anyways, bought another one of those. A lot of this is replenishing what was needed anyways. I also did get the Tarte Shape Tape right here. I know, if you are new here, I mean, everybody loves this. But if you're not new here, I know everybody, I don't like this one, but I have done some really great things with my nutrition, which does affect your skin. I've also found a bomb under eye like balm, which I've gotten other concealers I have on hand to work that I almost threw out because I couldn't get them to work. So I'm gonna try this again. Look for that coming very soon. I also got the Urban Decay Brow Blade right here. I've been wanting to try this, and when I seen this was on the sale, I was like, I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna grab it because I'm really, really curious into it. I was able to grab the Clinique High Impact Mascara as a backup. I really love this mascara. I wanted the Tarte Man Eater. That's what I actually have on right now. I just have like a little sample, but the little sample is like, wow, I really like this. And I was farting around. Okay, Audra was online and she was doing a live, so I was chatting with her, and when that got over, sale was over. Anyways, I did take advantage of one of the hot buys. I did get the So Fire palette. I'm collecting her palettes. I think that's just what I'm gonna admit to myself and everybody here on the YouTube. I'm collecting. I am a collector. I like this. I don't have a lot of fiery kind of red shades, so I'm really happy to have it. Like, I don't have the Modern Renaissance, and I think if I did, I probably wouldn't get this, but I don't have it. First, a baggie of goodies here. I did get a backup of the cleansing balm. I haven't been using this, and it has been so hard, but I wanted like to have it all nice and pretty and open, non-open for this video. So I am out. I'm so happy that this is going in the bathroom because I have been needing this. I really like it. I like it. That is the first cleansing balm I have repurchased. How about that? But I also, because they were having, whatever week it was, they were having a sale. So I decided to try the Shine Bright Creamy Cleanser. This is vitamin C and coconut oil for normal to dry skin. I'll let you know. Actually, do I need more? I said this, I don't remember. I don't need cleansers. I really don't need cleansers, but I bought a cleanser, you guys. I have a beauty problem. I am fully aware of it. I will raise my hand high because, yes, I know. In this next little bag, I did get a backup of the mineral translucent powder. I have, oh, well, I mean, I probably didn't need a backup. This is more than half full. Yeah, it's more than half full. But anyways, this was half off, and I wanted to buy it because I do like it. I will get through that probably pretty quick. I actually did go through recently a loose powder, so I don't feel bad having a backup of this because I didn't have, it wasn't, I bought it. I also grabbed one of their single shadows. This is Under the Sea. This is the coolest green. I have the other green that they have, and the reason why I grabbed that for whatever order it was, I was really, really close to getting one of their free bags, so it was like $4. So that's usually when I do buy their single shadows. I love their single shadows. I have a lot of them. But anyway, so I did get this. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but let's open it out. This is so cute. My daughter is already like begging for this because she loves peach just as much as I do. But you do get all kinds of goodies in here. I actually haven't looked in here. You do get a brush. I actually love the brushes. I have not a lot of them, but I do have a few of them anyways. This is really pretty. It's clear and it has their name on there. This is really nice. This would be really nice for blush. Oh, I really like that. Okay. Putting that down. I did get the Maximum Lashes Defining and Lengthening Mascara in here. Not a favorite, but I mean, I will use it, especially because my backup of mascaras is running low, which is weird. I went through a period where I had to tell myself to stop because I was buying and I didn't need them. I got a small sample of the matte eye primer in nude right here. I'm probably going to save this for a giveaway because I have the big one and I also have a backup. So I'll probably throw this in a giveaway. I have a giveaway box kind of stockpiling. I also got a lipstick in Nudely Interrupt right here. I'm assuming this is the shade. If you guys have these are really, really great, but this bottom it does kind of pop off and there's a lip gloss in there that's tinted this color, the same as the lipstick, in case you were wondering. I also got a jelly lip gloss, but this has a glitter in it. I like the jelly glosses quite a bit. The other one I have, it doesn't have glitter in it, so that's really nice. I also got a sample of the Poreless primer. I also got a sample of the Poreless face primer right here. I have the big size of this, so I'm also going to put this in the giveaway. In this bag, there was a little sample size of their makeup removing face towelettes. These do a really, really great job for taking makeup off. I don't like them on my face. I don't like any makeup cleansing cloths like this on my face, but I do keep them on my desk here for swatches. So I'm excited because the other ones are kind of getting low, but we also got a blush palette and a bloom palette, I think. I don't know. Let's open these. Typically, I only like the face palettes and not so much the eyeshadow palettes. But this is blush, so this is actually a blush and a bronzer, and that blush has sparkle in it, and I love me a sparkle blush. I love their face products, and these little things, I love them. Love them. And they're really tiny, so you could, if you wanted to carry them in your purse or like overnight bag, like they're great. So these are the shades. This is really pretty. I'm gonna have to at least try them, but Typically, I give these to my youngest or my oldest daughter. She really has been getting into makeup, but really soft and very pretty. So I'll try them, put them on my Instagram, or I don't know, but super excited to have these. I love them. I love those little bags. The next bag of goodies I have is right here. I'm running low on my moisturizers. I'm not going to actually open this, but I got 2 of the sugared vanilla face lotions, body lotions right here. I'm going into the summer. This is a lighter consistency than I use for the winter, so I don't know. And there's buy 2. Was it buy 2 get 2 free, or buy 1 get 1 free? I don't know. But I also grabbed the body spray as well as the shower gel because my bar soap is running low, and I don't use body spray too often, but there it is. This is going in my bathroom. I also grabbed this. I'm going to do a video on this, okay? I don't know where I seen this, whether it was like a YouTube ad or just a ad somewhere on Google. But anyways, these are the Kiss Falscara Lash Kit. Anyways, so basically these go underneath your lashes. I know, I sent it to Heather and she was like, oh, I think I'd poke my out. I was like, yeah, I'm probably gonna poke my out too, but I want to try them. So, I don't know. Hopefully I don't glue them to like my contact. That would be a disaster. So maybe, yeah, that would be, I don't know. We'll see. I'm excited to try these. I have at least the kit now, so I could get extra lashes. And from what I hear for reviews, you can use whatever lashes you want, as long as you have these 2. So, I don't know, man. We'll see. I also got the Cover FX Blurring Primer when it was on sale, because this, I think, is probably my favorite forever primer. I am slowly but surely narrowing down this is my holy grail. This is what I prefer, and just using up other items. Yeah, man, I bought a backup. So I now have 2 backups of face primer. I have a hydrating one and I have this one. I have fine lines right here. I'm 37. I'll be 38 this year. I'm fine with it, but when I use this, it's significantly less. Significantly. I mean, you can still kind of see it because I'm a smiley kind of gal, so it happens. It is significantly less. Like, yep. So, I guess it's confession time. This is makeup therapy, right? I did say that was makeup therapy. Once upon a time, Kelly said that I have other wants to try for concealer, and my favorite is concealer is running out, and I'm scraping the sides, but I bought backup. I bought light neutral and also medium neutral. Something that I think might be a little bit more suited for when I'm tan. But I did buy the light neutral just in case I wanted to highlight. This is what I have on today. I don't think it looks bad. But I did get the neutral shade, the next one darker. So I got these 2, and then I got Tarte Shape Tape. And also, I've made an order with Dose of Colors, and I'm finally getting their concealer. So I am stocked full of concealers. But anyways, I did want to share what I did get because I think it really is interesting. I never did a video on the sales, what I would recommend or anything like that. I wanted the Cover FX blushes, didn't get them, obviously. They sold out really quick. I didn't fart around that long either. It was like 8 o'clock a.m. But last night, like I said, Audra was on, she was live, so I wanted to chat with everybody. So I'll leave her channel down below. If you are not following Audra, please do, because she's a great human being, and I love her channel. But thank you so much for taking time out of your day, hanging out with me, and seeing what I bought. Just, I don't know. Did you guys get this little box? The little bag set, you know what I'm saying? This Ulta bag. I really love these. These bags are really, really nice. We store different things in there. My daughters a lot of times like to take them for like their flashcards or learning stuff, or my youngest daughter has pretend makeup. My oldest daughter has for real makeup, and she usually is the one that kind of tries to snag these, but I actually really like the face one. But I'm hoping maybe this one is promising because I love their eyeshadows, but I'm sorry, Ulta, these ones kind of suck. Not the same formula as like their other ones. But anyways, if there's anything that you want to see a specific video on, let me know down in the comments. I wouldn't mind, or any, I don't know. You guys, I'm just sitting here chatting about makeup because makeup makes me happy. Anyway, I'm going to jump off here. I hope you guys had an amazing day. I hope you guys continue to have an amazing week. If you wouldn't mind, please give this video a big thumbs up. It does help me out a great deal. And don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of fun. I have a lot of fun over here on my channel. I'm always highly caffeinated. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.